Kyle, will you grab that other bucket of screws from the back of the truck?
Absolutely. Hey, it'd be easier if we had a ladder to get down, wouldn't it?
Stop your whining and go get it.
Hey guys, Matt here for Toolbox Talks. In the next few videos, we're going to be talking about setting up a job site. The first part of this series, though, is setting up a ladder correctly. First, let's find a location with even ground, 10 feet away from power lines, and away from doors that are going to knock you off the ladder. When preparing the ladder, attach your rail extensions, set the base against the wall, and walk the ladder up. Extend the ladder if necessary until it reaches 3 rungs above the walking surface. Keep the feet flat on the ground. Check the angle of the ladder by standing with your feet touching the bottom of the ladder and reaching out to touch the rung. Once you've got it all set up, stomp on the base to make sure it's stable. It's a good idea to set up a cone next to the ladder with a restricted access sign to prevent others from wandering around on the roof and getting hurt. Secure the base with cone bases to make sure it's not sliding out on you. Use a backpack or a utility rope to bring up your materials or tools to keep your hands free and make sure you have 3 points of contact. Don't climb the ladder using the rungs. Put your hands on the rails so that you can slide them. Never face away from the ladder while climbing. Okay, now that we got to the top of the ladder, the first thing we need to do is secure it with a bungee cord. If the ladder is set up on soft ground, flip the feet over so they dig in. Keep in mind, setting up a ladder is much easier with 2 people than it is with 1. Next week, we'll discuss setting up fall protection. Thanks, and keep up the good work.